Hello, how you doing? This is RJS Roofing, and we're currently at Matthew Hand's home at 1415 Bookhout Drive, Cumming, Georgia, and it's currently about 78 degrees out here. We're gonna go ahead and replace this shingle right here. As you can see, there's wind damage right there. Gonna use the snake tool to unseal first two rows in order for us to replace the shingle. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick zoom up. As you can see right here, see that zoom up right there. I'll take the first nail out. Okay, so I'm gonna do a zoom up right here in the first nail. As you can see, not much breaking, just a little bit of grain loss up there. As you can see right there. Okay. As well as right here, not so much. We definitely do have grain loss as we tap it. So right now we're just taking off the nail. So as you can see, just a little slight line trying to form. It's not fully there yet. As well as right here. I'm not sure if that's the pattern way or it's just losing grain loss as we stick the snake tool in. But you could definitely see a line forming right here, as well as right here. Okay. Right here as well, we just have some grain loss. As I tap that, you definitely see how the grain is falling down. As well as on top right here, we do have some breaking going on. You can definitely see that. So. Okay, as well as up here, some breaking going on right here, just in the middle. As I tap, you see a small line trying to form on this right side right here, as you can see. Not so much on the left side. You can definitely see that. Okay. As well as right here, see that line forming already, just with a slight tap. You can definitely see all that. As well as up here, we have some breaking going on already. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with a 3-tab GAF shingle. You see all that breaking already forming as he strikes the hammer. You can definitely see how brittle this roof is due to the strictness of the hammer and the damages it's causing. It's very self-explanatory as he goes by. all those granules coming down. Okay. We just got done nailing in all the nails. As you can see, I'm gonna give you an overview of how the first 2 rows are looking, and they are very damaged. As you can see, this roof is definitely not repairable. So I'm gonna go ahead and count the countdowns, and we do have about 1, 2, 3, 4, as well as right here. We have some breaking right here. We'll definitely count this. 5, 6, and 7 shingles that were damaged. Just trying to repair 1 shingle. So it's very self-explanatory that this roof is not repairable. So I'm gonna have to say this repair test has failed. Please take in consideration on this roof. As you can see, what's shown